3 out of 4 hiking accidents happen on the way down, yet most beginners spend 100% of their energy planning the climb. Going up burns energy, but going down breaks muscle fibers. This is called eccentric loading. Your quadriceps must lengthen while under tension to act as brakes against gravity. This creates significantly more physical trauma than climbing. While the ascent tires your heart and lungs, the descent creates microscopic tears in your muscle tissue that cause delayed soreness. Physics works against you here. On flat ground, you carry your body weight. On a steep descent, the impact force on your knees multiplies drastically with every step. The most dangerous mistake beginners make is summit fever, using all their physical and mental energy to reach the top. They arrive at the halfway point exhausted, leaving no reserves for the high-impact return trip. To fix this, change your mechanics. Beginners often lean back instinctively to slow down, but this increases the chance of slipping. Instead, keep your nose over your toes and take shorter, quicker steps. This is also where trekking poles become safety equipment, not just accessories. They effectively become an extra set of legs, transferring load away from your knees and ankles. Before you start your descent, stop and retie your boots. Tighten the laces around your ankle to lock your heel in place. This prevents your toes from jamming into the front of the boot, which causes black toenails. Follow this decision checklist for your next hike. If you feel pain, stop immediately and adjust your stride. The mountain isn't going anywhere, but your knees need to last a lifetime. Respect the descent, and you'll hike again next weekend.